Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation on a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. We're doing tail lights from the company Autoone. So let's get to it. Plug and play tail lights for any 2016 to 2021 Toyota Tacoma. Now, good thing about these tail lights, LED tail lights, plug and play. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to put bulbs. It has LEDs in it. And every plug is different. The only thing that you need to do is remove your old tail lights, put the new ones, plug it in, and that's it. Only 2 bolts, like you know, super simple on Tacomas. I'm gonna show you in a minute how they're gonna look on the new Tacoma that I'm about to do. This is how they're gonna look. And it has reverse light, turn signal, brake light, and driving light for any 2016 to 2021 Toyota Tacoma. And if you had faded taillights or damaged water in them, you can replace them with these ones. So let's go to the installation. Ah, sí se ve chida, pa.